Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the AutoFit Track to Map function on the VesselFinder application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and the display options section you can find the auto fit track to map option, and just click to the next white circle. And new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.